go to Google Play Store and search for Remini AI Photo Enhancer. Click on install. After the app gets installed on your mobile phone or PC, click on open button. Click on get started, agree all and continue. You can do these blurry photos and old photos with this app and all the facial details. Move ahead and you will have to choose a plan, either Pro or Lite. You can choose any of the plan, but we are not choosing it right now, so we can click on the cut button on the top left corner. We'll skip this part. Click on give access to photos, then allow it. After that, click here, then click on let's do it. Generate your photos with AI. Select the gender. I'm selecting male. Click on continue. Click on upload your selfies and then upload your photos on this app. Choose a model image. I'll select this one. After that, it will prompt us to a page where it will ask us to buy a plan, either Lite or Pro. So you can buy a plan with this much amount for a week or a year and continue doing your editing.